If you're a fan of whiskers, you're gonna love Tandanus catfish. It's Thursday, it's after hours. We have tons of fish that have just arrived. I've opened the boxes. I need to get the bags out of the boxes into tubs so you guys can see what fish they are, and we're doing that now. We have, what are they? They are giant danios, some L397s, we have some really nice gold danios, and we have some Mistress catfish. So they are going in the tanks now. Those are the golden danios. How nice are the golden danios? They are huge. These are the giant danios. They will color up super awesome. They go green with yellow squiggles all through them. Oh, they are so nice. They haven't even colored up yet. It looks like we've got males and females available. Really, really cool fish. Is that the sweetest little catfish you've ever seen? So awesome. So freaking awesome. We have awesome black ghost knifefish, so names are on the screen. We have these guys, filament barbs, look really awesome and iridescent colors. Tandanus catfish, they get huge, like 90 centimeters long, awesome fish. Really like them. Have ponds full of those guys at home. Want to cake all those home, but I'm not. And red devils, these will go red, act like a devil because they are nasty fish, but awesome as well. So let's pop them in the tanks. How freaking cool are they? Really nice knife fish. Awesome. Okay, the red devils are in. They are looking lovely. Super young. They will color up really nice, turn into massive cool fish. These are the black spot filament barbs. They go awesome metallic colors. I will click to a video of that right now. We have platies, we have electric yellows, we have some really huge pearl danios or blue danios, and we have swordtails in this lot. Names are on the screen. Let's go into the tanks. Look at them. Awesome swordtails. Swordtail. There's some really nice platies. The black one is not a platy, that's a balloon molly. But blue platies, orange platies, lots of platies. Aren't they lovely? Look how blue they are. Awesome fish. There you are. There's the electric yellows. They are lovely. Look at them. They're very yellow. These are the pearl danios. They'll go a really nice blue iridescent color. Haven't colored up yet. Give them a day and they will be lovely. Okay, we have albino paradise fish, we have purple spot gudgeons, we've got white cloud mountain minnows, and we've got gold white cloud mountain minnows. These are all cold water, names are all over the screen and stuff. Now we're gonna put them in. No, don't jump out of your tub. Albino paradise fish looking absolutely lovely. Awesome cold water fish that breathe through the surface. Purple spotted gudgeons, they will color up really nice in the next day or so. Another really cool native fish, perfectly fine unheated in Brisbane. White cloud mountain minnows looking lovely. Great for frog ponds in Brisbane. They won't eat your tadpoles, but they'll eat your mozzies. White cloud mountain minnows. Awesome twig catfish, look at them. They don't even look real. Look at their snouts. Who doesn't want a pointy fish with a pointy snout? So they are awesome little catfish. We have some, what are they? They look like blue dolphins, so Malawi cichlids. We have a heap of Jack Dempsey's, so American cichlids. They color up really awesome. And more danios. These look like longfin leopard danios. So names are all on the screen again, and we will go back into some tanks. And there's the blue dolphins. They are lovely African cichlids. These are another Malawi cichlid like the electric yellows. How ridiculous is that? They are so cool. Those are the Falawella catfish. So awesome. I also got some huge adult golden gouramis. Females are absolutely filled with eggs. There's some nice males in there as well. Awesome opportunity if someone wants to breed them. I think I only got 10 of them, but they are monsters. Really nice fish. And this fish is not for sale, it's going home with me. This is a 25-year-old striped talking catfish. What an awesome fish. Thank you to the lovely guy that brought him in. According to the invoice, I've missed 4,000 invisible fish.